step on the beat and the floor starts to crack. Every weak voice gets pushed to the back. I come with the heat that can melt through the steel. When I drop a line, the whole room has to kneel. You claim you got fire, but you fade when I speak. I leave every challenger broken and weak. I was raised in the dark, I was built for the war. I don't play the game, I rewrite the score. Robin's the best, Rob runs the game. The darkest force with the deadliest name. I bury the competition under the ground. Leave kings in the dust when I shut them down. Rob is the throne, Rob is the crown. No one above me, I'm tearing them down. The legend is written, the story is clear. Rob is the greatest that ever appeared. My voice hits harder than shots in the night. I turn every battle into pure black and white. I don't need a consign, I don't need a stage. I force the whole underground into my cage. Every bar that I spit leaves a permanent mark. Every rival that rises gets lost in the dark. I was made for the throne, I was born for the fight. I don't leave the room till I own every lie. Feel the pressure, feel the weight, feel the darkness I bring. I don't ask for the crown, I take everything. Rob is the best, Rob runs the game. The darkest force with the